Today I'm going to look at connecting Tableau up to ESRI ArcGIS services. So to do that, we go to the server settings, and here I have ArcGIS Server on the list. We have a great large number of different connections we can make through Tableau. So I'll click on ArcGIS Server. I need to have the URL of the services, and this one is here. This is MDC's public services available to anybody. So as it connects up, Tim Bixler, our Enterprise GIS Manager, has put together and worked hard to put together a great list of services available for the public, and we also have some more services available internal only. We're looking at public services today. So I want to look at MDC Lands. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on MDC Lands here, and it connects up to it. And we can update this to show us, get us a good look at the data, a variety of information on the area with some links to some public pages. So now to map this, I want to go ahead and go to a new sheet, and it'll process the data quickly. All I have to do is go to the shape and double click on the shape, and that'll put the shapes all in. You see the outline of Missouri come up and all the background maps we'll get to a little bit here. Now if I hover over them, it highlights everything. Nothing's uniquely identified. So if we go and add area ID, name, we'll go ahead and add the county. I want to add the region. Handy thing here, Tableau immediately puts that on color, which is great, which is what I wanted to do. So you can click on the different regions and highlight specifically those regions. I also want to put our link to our area map and our link to a summary of the area. We'll start off with those. So now if I hover over these, you can see the information on each area that you hover over. But I want to do a little bit more with this. Let's go ahead and go into actions. So I'm going to create a URL action because I want to be able to see the map and see the area summary information. So the first one we'll want to do is let's do the map link, and I want to rename it area map. And it's under menu. There's 3 different ways you can have the system go to the URL, but we're going to go with the menu option in this instance. And it wants to, I want it to go into a new browser tab. Click on OK. Let me go ahead and also add, while I'm here, the area summary. Oops. Summary. I'll go ahead and look at that and select some link. And new browser tab. Click on OK, click on OK. Now, if I go here, hover over this, and if I click on it, well, we've got links here. So if I go to Area Map, it immediately pops up a map of the area. So we have that available quickly and easily. And again, I can do the same. Clicking here, Area Summary, it goes immediately to the Area Summary page within MDC with more information about the area. You can get information quickly and easily. Now at this point we have everything all pretty much set up. The next steps now are improving the aesthetics of it. What do we want to add in here to make things a little better? I won't go in that in this video, but this is a quick representation how we can quickly add that information on here. And just as I'm thinking about it, let me go ahead and add the acreage in the area, and it sums up the acreage on the area. And if we go over here, then you can see how many acres are. Of course, you can zoom in on here, and we can add background maps and do all sorts of different information to make this a little more visually appealing. We can also again put this in a dashboard, add more information around it. If I were to click on this, maybe show up some little bit more information or graphical representations of information that we have on the area. But that's a quick overview of how that works. Very simple. I was really actually shocked at how simple it was to do with these latest versions of Tableau. And I'm currently using Tableau 2020.2.